Hi, boys.
They came close at some point.
They were real close with Felix and Ambrose, right?
I think a sheep is scared.
Yeah, Badu scared them.
I think they're happy just to You remember when those alpacas wouldn't come up to you?
Yeah.
Don't feed them, Neil. What's the matter with you?
We're checking out our new day.
Maybe give them another week for to get to know each other. Or years.
Hey, Ambrose.
Are you going to do any breeding?
No. That's why we got all boys. No girls.
Get some wet.
I was thinking about it with the alpacas, and then Micaiah said, "So would you sell one?" And I said, "No." I said, okay. Couldn't do it.
Oh. That's weird.
What, you want to eat?
No.
Well, he knows she has treats. She has alfalfa.
Here's the last one. That's it.
He likes the good stuff. He's the green sheep. You know, ecologically.
Here.
Hi, pretty boy.
Oh, Kaya.
Here.
You just about had the picture, didn't you?
Here. So you didn't tap her
That's
back.
the definition of being sheepish.
Oh, I see. Maybe if I go out of fence.
On the other side.
No, for the sheep will come.
Yeah.
They know how to get over there.
Oh, guys.